Hello everybody. In this video, we will see how to manage stock inventory in Cashbook app. Suppose you have a retail shop and you want to have a track of every product that you have in stock. For that, let's create a book first. Tap on add name it stock, save. Now you have to cash in to record entry in inventory. Tap on cash in. Amount of the product that you have in stock, 500 let's say. Remark will be item 1. As per your choice, this is how you can have the record of every other item too. Category will be the product name. Salt, save. Now you have to cash out to record debit from inventory. Tap on cash out. Amount, let's say 50 packet of salt has been sold out. Remark will be item 1. Category will be salt. Save.